Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q2 of the weekly contest 330, count collisions of monkeys on a polygon. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. So this one, well, first thing is mod. Remember to mod. But really, there are only two ways in which they don't, basically the trick is kind of figuring out the inverse, which is that count the number of ways such that no collusion occurs, right? And if no collusions occur only in two different ways. One is if all the monkeys move clockwise, or if they all move counterclockwise. I don't know if I'm rotating the right way, but you get the idea. So basically, and given that the n monkeys, you can move. There are 2 to the n distinct ways of, because they all go either left or right, left or right, left or right. So there's gonna be 2 to the n to that. So yeah. So wow, this is actually 10 to the 9. I didn't even look at the constraint because thank goodness for Python, but yeah, this is pretty much it. So we do a mod power of 2 to the n. Remembering to mod, we subtract it by 2, and then we mod the mod again just in case. That's pretty much it. Hopefully the explanation is kind of okay. I did this in less than a minute, or because I actually spent some time on Q4 first and didn't get it. So yeah, so you could watch me start it live now, but honestly that video is just me typing this out because I don't know. But let me know what you think, and yeah. I'm gonna skip ahead just to reading this. Did I misread the problem? Oh, this is the easier one. Okay, so let's do this one first. There's a regular convex, okay. 1 monkey, counts polygons of 6 vertex, okay. What does that even mean? Okay, each vertex has a monkey. Neighboring, okay. Can move such that at least since, okay. Mod. Okay, so what are we doing? So n is equal to 3. So okay, so it's the opposite, right? So it's only basically yeah, they all will collide unless, so it's just 2 to the 2 to the n mod minus 2 minus 2 over mod, right? Something like that. Okay. Now to do the hard one. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's explanation. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.